Here's 5 tips the next time you're flying international via Cebu Pacific. Number 1. Pay your travel tax in advance. You can pay the travel tax amounting to 1,620 pesos when you book online. But if in case you haven't, kailangan niyo pumunta dito sa counter na to and pay bago kayo mag-check-in. Number 2. Online check-in. Apart from being at least 3 hours earlier for your flight, you can skip the long queue lines kung mag-online check-in ka until 1 hour before your flight. Para ang pila mo ay for bag drop na lang. Number 3. Baggage allowance. Make sure that you only have a hand carry weighing 7 kilograms and within the dimensions shown. Usually, they allow a separate bag for your laptop or personal belongings. Pero dapat kasama na rin siya sa 7 kilograms ha. At huwag kalimutan na ang check-in bag mo ay dapat nasa 20 kilograms lang if you chose that option. Number 4. Huwag kalimutan na mag-register sa e-travel kasi hinahanap yan bago makapasok sa immigration.